Are you interested in project management as a career? Let's explore what it takes to become a project manager. A project manager's job is to ensure that a project is completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. It's a challenging but rewarding career. Project management is a growing field, with an estimated 22 million project-oriented jobs in the US alone. And the demand for project managers is only increasing. Yes, you can become a project manager as a fresher. You can start as a project coordinator or assistant and work your way up. The 5 functions of project management are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Each function is crucial to the success of a project. Entry-level project managers are responsible for coordinating project tasks, communicating with stakeholders, and tracking project progress. It's an excellent starting point for a career in project management. Project managers require a diverse set of skills, including leadership, communication, problem-solving, and risk management. It's a challenging but rewarding career path. To become a project manager, you'll need a bachelor's degree in a related field, such as business or engineering. You can also earn certifications to enhance your skills and credentials. Now that you know the basics of project management, are you ready to take the next step? Start your journey today.